The language of a machinery, vibration. We comprehend machines by focusing on its imperceptibles. We offer a total solution of equipment condition surveillance, from a vibration analyzer to a diagnosis to correction based on a lot of experience. Communication with machines. NADA Corporation. We are experts in analyzing and diagnosing noise and vibration in machines. Established in 1997. We carry vibration measuring equipment, analyzation software, and provide preventive maintenance and facility diagnosis, education, and support operation of a smart factory by building big data, consistently researching for technology development and quality improvement, and offers accurate and quick facility analyzation service backed by verified self-development technical prowess and experiences. NADA Corporation is a recognized tech innovation company that possesses various patents specialized for facility condition management and ISO quality management system certification. NADA Corporation has been gaining clients' trust by providing a differentiated technological prowess and technical assistance. We have partnership with various global enterprise such as KEPCO, KHNP, Samsung, Hyundai, Andritz, Rolls-Royce, and Hankook Tire. VMS. VMS is a machinery protection system built to protect clients' high-priced equipment and safe operation of the facility by monitoring turbine and other rotating components based on API 670 standard in real time. CMS. CMS is an essential product in building a smart factory that can maximize factory operation rate by automatically predicting a common issue with general industrial machines ahead of time. Portable Vibration Analyzer. A multi-channel analyzation is possible through PVA, and it can also perform all required functions of a facility diagnosis with a single equipment with loaded automatic analyzation function. TMS. TMS is a system that performs the predictive maintenance specialized for monitoring part defect until LVMC, and it secures the process credibility and reduces fraction defectives by recognizing damage and abrasion status of the tool. SmartWorks. SmartWorks is a smartphone-based facility vibration monitoring and diagnosis solution. By using wireless acceleration sensor with a smartphone, measuring and analyzation of vibration is possible at any time, anywhere, and can easily share data with other users. We offer a total solution of equipment condition surveillance, from a vibration analyzer to a diagnosis to correction based on a lot of experience. NADA Corporation.